at VIP KTM Kolkata. I booked the 390 here, and today I'm here for the test ride. In a bit I'm going to start this bike up, and we are going to have the first sound of the KTM 390 Duke. And this bike is the latest offering, 44 PS and only 150 kg weight. So this is going to be a true monster from KTM. And now we are here at the VIP showroom to drive it, and we will also post our test drive video. Thank you. I'm going to start this bike up right now, and